Hello everyone. Welcome to the 17th day of 21 days of machine learning with code warriors. Our today's topic of discussion is random forest classification. So as I taught you earlier about the random forest in the regression topic, so I am not going to teach you the same concept here. So this video is going to be a short video. So in this video I mainly focus on the coding part, which is different from the regression since we are using different class from sklearn module for regression for classification. So let's start with the topic. So the definition is same as the previous. Random forest, collection of decision trees. Now I hope you know about this, or if you have any doubt then you can refer my previous video in the regression topic so that you can understand the random forest and its working. Here are some 4 steps I will speak out loud, so to remember to recap the working of random forest algorithm. So the step 1 is start with the selection of random samples from a given data set. So we have to split the data set into subsamples for uh, training. Then in step 2, construct a decision tree for every sample, then get the prediction result from every decision tree. In this step, we will construct a decision tree for every subsample and then get the prediction result of that particular decision tree. Then in third step, we will vote the predicted results for of all the decision trees we have used in random forest. And at the last, in the fourth step, we will choose the most voted prediction result as our final prediction result. So this is how the random forest works, similar to the regression. Now the last and the main topic, which is the coding part. So for classifier, we are going to use sklearn.ensemble. The module is same sklearn.ensemble, but we are going to use the different class, which is random forest classifier. Now after importing our class, the object is classifier and the equal to random forest classifier, and the parameter is n-estimator. About n-estimator I had already explained you in my previous video. N-estimator is the number of decision tree we are going to use in our random forest. So the n-estimator is an important parameter, and so this is about the instantiation of the class. Now after instantiating, we have to fit our model, so we are going to use fit method and we will pass our training data x train and y train, and after fitting our model now we will predict our data. So for this we are going to use dot predict method and pass x test. So this is all about the random forest classification. I hope you got the concept of it, and if you have any doubt you can refer my previous video on random forest regression, and still you have some doubts then you can personally ask me on LinkedIn, or and I hope that you know the submission criteria for the challenge, so I won't be explaining again. So all the best for your day, and thank you for listening me.